Sicon kitting is aimed at businesses requiring a simple, single-level bill of materials module that can be amended prior to building the finished product, either for stock or directly within the Sage 200 sales order. Where Sage 200 bill of materials is too complex, Sicon kitting is the ideal substitute, with the module providing a simple way to increase a stock item quantity, the kit, and reduce the component stock item quantities at the same time. When combined with Sicon MRP, this extends functionality to offer suggestions for kit and component demand. In addition, when used alongside Sicon barcoding and warehousing, kits can be picked and built directly from a handheld device, making this a powerful yet simple business solution. Key features. Sicon kitting is written within the Sage 200 development environment using the Sage business objects to control the transaction posting and utilising the latest Microsoft technologies for user interface. Real-time data availability. Real-time data access ensures Sage 200 information is up to date and all in one place, meaning you don't need to access multiple data systems to see a clear view of the business. Streamlined processes. When using the Sicon kitting module alongside Sicon barcoding and warehousing, the individual kit components will be displayed for the warehouse handheld user to pick, pack and dispatch. The kit is built in the background, ensuring stock levels and costings are maintained. Key benefits. Additional features include an option to disassemble a finished kit item back into its component parts, reducing the stock balance of the kit and increasing the component levels. Improved stock control by allocating and issuing component parts more quickly. Can be integrated with Sage sales order processing or used on its own to build finished products. The cost of all of the components in the kit are added to create the exact cost of the finished item. Kit cost and selling prices can also update the sales order line details. Option to produce a pick list report for the items used and amended in kit build. This is just a sample of the functionality that's available. For more information, please refer to our website www.sicon.co.uk.